Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it was a bank holiday yesterday for a few big economies around the world, but that didn't stop gold from sliding even further towards the 1900 handle, currently trading roughly about the 1935 area. So it's broken support after support roughly at 1960 at 1945. So we are now looking at the next support level and obviously the big psychological handle, which is the 1900 area. So we haven't seen this particular level since the big banking crisis at the beginning of March, and now we're looking to see if it's going to have a V-shaped decline back down to where we were before this all began. So what are the next inklings from the Fed? They're obviously meeting again next month, well, in a couple of weeks, to decide if there's going to be another interest rate hike. This has given a bit of optimism to the dollar as well. That's been on the front foot for not only the index, but a lot of the currency pairs as well that it's been competing against in the last few trading sessions. So where are we going next with gold, and what is the likelihood that we will be seeing another 40 or 35 to $40 drop towards this 1900 psychological area? So let's just take a look on the charts first of all. On the daily chart, I've got it on gold with the assistance of the Michimoku cloud, because I just wanted to point out that we are fully engulfed in this particular area here, which gives us the impetus that price action will still keep lowering. We saw the last time that the Fed and the banking crisis did have a say in the projection of gold. And as you can see now, we are seeing possibly this decline to keep on pushing lower. So where are we going next? Well, since we didn't really have this particular movement in play, if you think about what was happening before the banking crisis, we were trading towards the lower regions of 1800. So, nearly $2,000, $200 move to the upside since then, quite significant. And now we're seeing this decline in the near term as well. So we've pretty much gone halfway from the big jump that we saw in the last couple of trading sessions. But where will we be going from here? Well, let's just take a closer look, just zoom in a little bit more for better understanding. And as I said here, we're looking at the next support to be roughly around this area here, 1925, 1926. If we do get a bounce there, then we could see this Ichimoku cloud be more engulfed, and then another move to the upside could ensue. However, it would be quite a big correction if we did get back up to 2000, because it has been sliding for so long and it doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. Obviously, the market does not always go in the direction that we think it's going to, so we'll have to wait and see. There's not really many divergences on the RSI, but if we go closer onto the 4-hour chart, we're seeing now, as you can see here, fully fledged bear market, just a slight correction after correction naturally, but not really too much to say that we are looking for an upside movement here. But we're just looking to see if there's going to be some support roughly about 1925 when we do reach it, and then this could give us more of a slight bid environment, slight bull environment to put some trades in and see how far they can go as well. But very exciting times for gold, because it has been very, very predictable that we were going to start sliding lower. And speaking of being predictable, we're going to look at the dollar index quickly, because obviously that has played out very, very well for a lot of bulls. We are seeing now this V-shaped recovery to the upside. The last time that we saw this movement was when, obviously, to repeat myself, when the banking crisis did begin, just trading over the mid to high 105 area. So we are expecting now, after this firm support found, we are expecting now this to complete its path back up to at least 105. So trading at the mid 104 at the moment. So this is obviously affecting a lot of the Forex pairs as well. But if we look quite closely, we are now very overbought on the DX. The US index, and this has given us a slight bearish divergence. But this was always going to be it was always going to be on the cards, because we were expecting another move down and then possibly another move higher. It's not going to go just straight up, because if we look on the 4-hour chart, naturally you do get slight corrections in everything, and we're just seeing now what the opportunities are. But as you can see here, really fully fledged bull market at the moment, not really any big corrections to speak of. And we are, as I said, we are expecting another leg higher after just a slight downturn. But can we get that 105 handle before the end of today's trading? Should we get the 106 6 possibly by the end of the week. We'll have to wait and see. Obviously, NFP figures coming in at the end of this week, looking very, very good for the American economy at the moment. So will this give another boost in the dollar index and another downturn on gold? Let me know what you think. As usual, this video will be posted on our Telegram channel and YouTube channel. So thank you very much for joining me today, and we'll keep you posted on any big market moves. Until tomorrow, take care and bye for now.